In this video, I will show you how to restore deleted items, such as pages, assignments, and announcements in your Canvas course. It takes 3 simple steps to restore your deleted item. Step 1. Go to the home page of the course where you want to restore a deleted item. Step 2. Navigate to the URL and type /undelete at the end of the course number. Press Enter to open the Restore Deleted Items page. Step 3. Search for the deleted item and then click the Restore button. Now you can return to the course and verify that your deleted item has been restored. Thank you for watching this video.